Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be going through the introduction of our two new models, the MAG-8100 and the MAG-8200. First, just to let you know, the MAG-8100 will be the unit that will be replacing the MAG-9000, which ended its production, and so the MAG-8100 is taking that place as the unit primarily for landscapers that only need straight, flat cutting edges to be sharpened, along with just 30 degrees. So the same features of the 9000 are all in the 8100. The 8200 platform is the replacement for the MAG-8000. This unit will have the ability to do curvy, wavy mulching blades as well as straight blades, just as the 8000 did, but with a bunch of new other features. First, we'll go back and talk a little bit more about the 8100. So you may notice that we're staying with the 8000 series number, and we did that because of the form factor. So the motor with a belt drive in the back and then grinding wheel next to the motor, that style or form factor is how the MAG-8000 was designed. So that is why everything is now an 8000, whereas the old MAG-9000 was a direct mount grinding wheel to the motor shaft. So advantages we have here with this format is the left-hand blade approach, where you would stand on the rear side of the machine for doing left-handed blades, is just as nice and open as it was for the MAG-8000. So that's one of the big improvements of our 8100 line, is that you have that nice access for left-handed blades as well as right-handed blades. So our blade approach is always perpendicular to the rotation of the grinding wheel. What's really neat about the 8100 is you can get it in two different motor sizes. So what is being shown here is an open drip-proof motor of 1/3 horse, which still has plenty of power for sharpening, but of course, being an open motor, it will have a little bit shorter life because grit and dirt can get inside the motor, and over time that will wear the motor out, but it does come in at a great price point. It also can be ordered with a 1/2 horse totally enclosed fan-cooled motor. This of course is a lot longer lasting motor, gives you a bit more power, and that is also the original MAG-9000 was also a 1/2 horse unit. So the other feature that you can get with this one is the grit guard, which all of our machines have the same grit guard now. So both the 8100 and 8200 have the same grit guard. So by doing that, we were able to make the grit guard really nice and large. It catches far more sparks than our previous models did, and the bottom can be changed out to have a port in it for the dust collector. So the 8100 basically has two customization options, that is two different motor sizes and with or without a port. Now if you don't have a dust collector or not looking for one, there's no need to get a port, and if anything, keep in mind where previous models let grit fall to the floor, things are being contained in this box, so the heavy particulate will stay inside the box. The MAG-8200 platform, which is here next to me, is being shown currently in the water-cooled version. Now this platform, the sharpener, you can see the yellow base up here, and you could say this top portion, not talking about the water tray and tank below, can also be ordered in a dry condition with a flat table or curved table, just like the MAG-8000 was. So when you look on our site and you see the MAG-8200M, the M stands for modular work table. And so again, now we have an angle changing work table that you can dial in from 30 degrees to 45 degrees in 5-degree increments, as well as an insert system to go from the rounded work table as well as back to a flat table. So just like the 8000, this is the new version of that. But this machine can also be offered in two different motor sizes, 1/2 horse and 1 horse. You can get it as a water-cooled unit, and we will later be releasing a belt grinder version as well, that you'll be able to change out the grinding wheel for a rubber contact wheel, and a second idler pulley will be down in this corner, giving you a 2-inch wide belt grinder. And so this platform really allows for a machine to grow with a business. You could get it in a dry condition with just a fixed flat work table that'll only do 30 degrees, much like this unit, but then over time, if you then wanted to do mulching blades, you could add on the modular work table, easy 4-bolt add-on to the new table, and then later if you wanted to turn it into a belt grinder or then water cooling, we will have kits to change into all these different models, or you can order it all that way initially. So again, we really tried to design a sharpener that gives you the ability to cut metal any way you would like to, as well as be able to grow with a business rather than saying constantly buying a new model as your business grows. Here you can settle on one platform and simply change out options kits to give you the features you'd like. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos coming out soon, going into more detail about each of these new models. Thanks for watching.